So if you were born in 1996 or 2008, well, let me ask you something. What if the position you're sitting in right now is already unstable and you just haven't seen it yet? And worse, what if someone else is already being positioned to replace you and you don't even know it? Oh, that's not drama, but that's how years like this work. And now, tell me the answer. Have you already felt things getting slightly harder even before anything major happened? And be honest, if everything around you suddenly changes, do you actually know what to do? Or are you just hoping that it will not happen? Well, you see, many people actually are hoping, dreaming, praying. And that's exactly why they get caught. So I want you to stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will see what's coming before it hits. And you will understand why some people disappear from their roles, and you know how to make sure you are not one of them. And if you prefer clarity over regret, well, I would like you to hit like to this video, share this video with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. So on that note, thank you very much for supporting my channel. Now, listen up carefully. 2026 isn't a normal year for you and me. It's the kind of year where things do not break obviously, and they change. The changes actually are quiet. Nobody noticed that until you realize you are no longer where you thought you were. The changes will like to start small. Sometimes you will feel something off with the conversations with other people. You make a decision, but it doesn't go your way. And when you make plans, yes, you make it, but plans changes without you. Well, then it started building up. Before you know it, you feel that your roles are already different and people are treating you differently. And somehow money behaves in the way that you didn't expect. So what does it tell you? It's like standing on the ground that looks solid apparently, but slowly is moving underneath you. And I think this is the mistake, that most people try to stand still. They try to hold the position. They like to try holding water in your hands. And then the tighter you grip, the faster it slips away, because you are in direct conflict with the year. And this means one thing: while things will still move with you or without you. Now let me show you how this actually plays out. Now you see, two people, same job, same environment. One starts reacting, arguing, defending, pushing back, labeling, justify, complain. Every small issue becomes a fight. And slowly what happened? People stop trusting these people. They don't get fired immediately, but surgically and slowly they are replaced. How about another person? The person actually notices the shift, the changes earlier, and they chose not to fight everything. They started to adapt, and they stay sharp and focused. So you see, when things change, they were the one to move first, and suddenly they are the one being relied upon. So you see, it's just the same year, same pressure. The first group of people gets pushed out. The other group of people move up to the ladder. This is where your career is decided. Does that make sense? Because this year, 2026, will not consider whether you make the effort or not. It actually rewards people who know how to position themselves and stay sharp and focused. Let's get this real. This hits your career first, and you feel it, right? Things won't stay stable. It's like playing a game where someone keeps changing the rules and it doesn't tell you. So what do you expect? While role is changing, people may question you even more. There will be unexpected pressure on you, and situation will be there to test your limit. And if your instinct is to fight everything, well, guess what? You are already losing, because every unnecessary fight this year will cost you something. What do you cost? Well, energy, reputation, opportunity. Here's what most people completely miss. I hope that you're not one of them after this video. While everyone is busy reacting, someone else is watching, and they are not looking for who talks the most. They are watching who stays steady, stable, focused when things get uncomfortable. That's where your opening is. Not by shouting, proving, but by not breaking. Miss that and you won't even realize when opportunity passes you. You see, someone else move ahead of you instead. Now, listen, if you are born in 1996, this is your pressure year. Listen, it's not pleasure year, but pressure year. It's like being pushed onto a stage that you didn't ask for. You don't get time to prepare. You perform, you get exposed. You have more responsibility, more attention, and more expectation. And once people start noticing you, and not everybody is on your side. So keep your head down. Let your work speak, because in 2026, attention can either lift you up or destroy you. How about your money? Well, it will grow and it can disappear just fast. So it depends on how careful you get. Okay, so now let's move to the other group, 2008. So if you were born in 2008, well, this is where people get it wrong. They think nothing big is happening. I hope you are not one of those. But this is actually your setup year. It's like standing at the fork in the road and everyone is shouting directions at you. Follow everything, you go nowhere. And you see you follow the wrong thing, you waste time. If you feel, you actually feel distracted. You'll be pulled in different directions. So you see emotions up and down, and that becomes a trap. So your job is pretty simple. Pick up one thing, stick to it, finish it. Because what you build now will decide how fast you are able to move later. So now listen carefully. You cannot stop what's coming. You cannot control anyway, but you can decide how you stand in it. So first, do not be the loudest person in the room. Be the one nobody can remove you. So do the work. There's nothing to attack. Okay? Number 2, stop trying to do everything alone. Okay? Find where the power is and attach yourself to it. Make yourself useful, because when things are changing, power will also move, and you'll either move with it or get left behind. Thirdly, very important, control your money. Think like this is a slow leak. Ignore it, you will lose everything over time. If you control it, you turn it into something that builds you. And one last thing, okay? Ready for this? This year, 2026, will test your reactions. Small things will feel like bigger than they are. If you react fast, you make things worse. If you stay calm, you stay in control, and that's the difference. Now, let me be very clear. If you ignore this, 2026 will decide for you. Decide for what? Your position, your direction, and your outcome. So if you move early, you decide instead. So I would like you to do this now. Comment 1996 or 1996 or 2008 2008. And tell me the one thing you refuse to lose in 2026. And come join my Destiny Architect Telegram chat. Because the people who win this kind of year don't wait until things break. They move before things happen. So 2026 is coming. Whether you like it or not, it's already 25% gone. Are you moving with it? Are you worried about it? Or are you getting moved by it? See you in my next video.